inside the truck. Turn around, right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move. You're under arrest, you're under arrest.
Traffic stop turns into $2 million cocaine bust by the cop cam.
On May 26, 2022, a state trooper with the Indiana State Police was in Putnam County, Indiana, when he pulled over a semi-truck for a routine compliance inspection at around 4 p.m.
Your truck? Friend's truck? Okay, you gotta get out, stay out that left lane out there, okay? You got CDL? Okay, you got CDL, sir? Go. I don't want to drop that. You got registration, sir? Yes, sir. So you driving for a friend?
Yeah, my friend's the owner.
Owner of PRK?
Yeah, the owner.
You in here?
No, it's the song.
Team driver? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm Ali.
Hello. How you doing? Huh?
The new driver license, the permit.
You're not driving yet?
No.
Why are you here then? Why are you in the truck?
Oh, my phone.
Okay, I'll turn on. Showing him how to do it?
Okay, so what we know so far is one of them is a truck driver, the other one does not have a CDL. The reason why that's important is because if the person who doesn't have the CDL is driving, that's a big no-no.
So you live in Miami?
Yes.
And the company's at Orlando?
Orlando, Florida.
Orlando? And whose trailer is that?
Huh?
Whose trailer is that?
Yeah, for me.
That's your trailer? Okay. So your friend's truck or your trailer? Okay. You don't have a truck?
Yeah, my truck is broken.
Oh, what
The
happened?
motor is broken.
What happened? Motor?
Yeah.
What kind of motor you got?
Yeah, this is in the truck.
Oh. Let me see your bill of lading for the freight.
Yeah.
What's in the trailer today, sir? What's inside the trailer?
It's freezer.
Huh?
Freezer. Minus 10. It's like milk. It's going to Starbucks.
This one now?
It's going to Starbucks.
Okay.
Going to
Where'd you guys pick it up from?
Phoenix. The things.
You have your logbook, sir? Huh?
Yeah, I have yellow book.
No logbook? Why not?
Huh?
No? Do you have a logbook? You got a logbook? Why not? You guys don't write the logbook? Do you have one you can fill out right now? Do you have a logbook you can fill out?
Yeah, I have the no.
Logbooks are important because it shows a driver where they've been, but more importantly, how much they have been driving. I think it's 8 hours, so if a driver drives for 8 hours, they have to be stopped for 30 minutes.
All right, let's check all the lights. Thank you. I'm gonna check that fire signature there. Inside the truck. You're okay if I search it? Huh? You're okay if I search the truck and the trailer? You're okay with it? Why don't you go back here and hang out with me for a few minutes?
Okay, there is a potentially interesting legal situation going on because one person has a CDL, the other person doesn't. If you have a CDL, you could very well be not completely waiving, but loosening what the typical Fourth Amendment search and seizure requirements are. But there's a person in there that doesn't have a CDL. However, we don't really need to go into a complicated legal analysis because the person without the CDL consented to a search. So the police officer asked. He said, yeah, sure, go ahead and search.
Hands behind your back. Don't move. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. No se mueva. Manos arriba. Hey, chill. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me.
You tell me why you putting handcuffs on me.
I'll let you know here in just a minute. I'll get you back.
Can I make a call?
Yep. Manos arriba. Manos arriba.
You need to tie these already?
They're not tight.
Look at this one.
I will adjust them here in a minute.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Okay. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda. Siéntese. Siéntese.
See a little bit of the right.
It's not tight. I can put my finger in there. Just the way your hand is. There you go. Good? We'll adjust them when somebody else gets here.
You can put it on the
You're
front.
twisting your... Huh?
You can put it on the front.
When somebody else gets here. Okay?
Can I make a call?
Yeah, yeah. I got somebody coming. You guys can get up off the ground here in just a minute. We'll adjust the cuffs, okay?
What is it?
So I got somebody else coming. I need to read you your rights. You have the right, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer now, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand your rights? And he's just yes or no. Yeah.
What the police officer just did was read the suspects their Miranda rights. A couple interesting things. One, you only actually read someone their Miranda rights after they have been arrested. So here, the individuals are clearly being arrested. The other thing that I think is interesting is that it's clear that these individuals speak Spanish. The police officer was communicating with them in Spanish, but then he read the Miranda rights in English. And if, if their English isn't great, can they really understand what their Miranda rights are? Now, the courts give deference to the police in this sort of situation, and so long as they make a good faith effort, because not all police officers are going to speak Spanish, it still could very well be held as a valid reading of the Miranda rights.
I got my phone number, my phone, so I can make a call. That's it.
Who you gonna call?
Oh my God, that's it.
Okay, I'll call him.
And my baby mama.
Your baby?
Yeah, my baby mama. Is that right?
You say your baby mama?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Maybe we'll do that in a little bit, okay? I'm gonna be up front. Looks like there's some drugs in the truck, okay? So, I don't know if you guys want to cooperate with us or not. If you don't want to make any statements, that's fine.
I don't know what's in it.
Oh, okay. Are you able to translate if I ask him something?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask him if he wants to cooperate with this investigation. Can you ask him that? What do you say?
Like what? What do you want?
Okay. We'll stop it there for now. Smell like weed in here, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Basically, these two boxes, it's right there. Now it's covered up like this. So I'll take a couple pictures of that. Still use your camera? Yeah.
It does smell like weed in here.
That one side right there. Where's the other box at? Okay, cool.
So what are the aggravating factors here? The potential aggravating factors? Well, there's a lot of it, right? So that shows intent to distribute, intent to sell. Additionally, they have already admitted that they've crossed state lines, right? They're in an 18-wheeler. They started in Orlando. They're now in Indiana. So they are moving this paraphernalia across the country, which is, again, not good.
Shove that in there. I'll have to look real quick. A lot of times you'll see these in not axle compartments, but sidewall compartments. And I'll show you where they gain access to it. So they just stuff all that in there and leave a rope where they can pull back up.
Another thing that I want to add is they actually don't know what's inside of there right now. Right? Not to be such a lawyer about it, but they will have to test it and prove, because what if, I don't know, what if something totally legal is stuffed into a kilo-looking shape, right? Real quick, I just wanted to say that Attorney Tom / Attorney Reacts content is now on Spotify. We just launched a partnered show, link in the description. Go check it out. Now, back to the video. Okay, so there you go. It looks like both of them actually got convicted of dealing a narcotic drug and possession of a narcotic drug. Wow, with sentences of 9 years and 2.5 years respectively. So that's some serious time. I think what's interesting about this is the whole CDL thing. The police can pull somebody with a CDL over without necessarily reasonable suspicion. They were just conducting a routine stop on a commercial vehicle. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Bye.
Big verdict.